Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Yvonne and you're welcome to Yvonne's Easy Life Hacks. And today we are going to be discussing another one of our Conlog Prepaid meter matters. Okay, so you have your Conlog Prepaid meter keypad and you come back home one day and you discover that the screen is blank, and when that goes blank, 90% of the time it doesn't connect with your meter up on the pole, and so even when there is electricity you will not have none in your house. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to rectify that. It's a very short video, and if you want to learn what to do in situations like this, step by step, easy procedure you can do without wasting money, then please keep on watching. And the only payment I would need is that you subscribe. Okay guys, welcome back. So you have your prepaid meter and the keypad, and you come back home one day and you see that the screen is blank, there's electricity in the area, your neighbors have power and you don't have, and you're wondering what to do. You've called an electrician and they're like, oh, I don't know what to do. More often than not, you'll be advised to go to your closest office of your electricity distribution company, which I personally did when I first had this problem, and the solution that was proffered to me there is the same solution I'm going to proffer to you in this video. So before we get into the solution proper, you are going to be needing certain things, okay? And I don't want this video to be too long. You are going to be needing a screwdriver with the flat tip, not the star, the flat tip. If you can't lay your hand on a screwdriver, you can get a pen knife, works just as well. You are going to be needing cotton wool. You're going to take in a little bit of cotton wool. I will tell you where this cotton wool is going to come in handy. And you are also going to be needing what we call finger batteries. This type of batteries, the really good brands, Duracell, Mrs. Spark, Panasonic, like they have those really durable ones. Don't go for the cheaper ones. They're also good, but they don't last as long. Tiger, Tudor, and all of that, they are good, but they don't last as long. So the very first thing you are going to do is, if you have a prepaid meter keypad like this with the casing and something that looks like this, we normally use this to hang up on the wall, and sometimes it's so difficult to pull out and you're looking around because you won't really see where you are going to change the batteries from here. I've pulled this mine out a couple of times, so it's much easier to just pull out like this. That's one option. The second option is at the back here. You can see there is something here. Just shift it up a bit and gently pull this out. Okay, you can see that, and when you pull it out, you're going to be seeing this screw right here. You can see the screw. So you take the screwdriver and you open it up. You can see this is the reason why I asked you to get that flat screwdriver, the flat tip screwdriver. So you open this up and you can see the batteries in there. Now if you used one of those normal batteries like the Tiger, the Tudor, and they have gotten really bad that they start to bring out that little acidic liquid substance, that is where the cotton balls come in. Okay, so you just take a little bit of it and clean inside this place right here. Clean it properly, so that just keep on cleaning and cleaning. You can go through several cotton boards. Just keep on cleaning and cleaning until it is dry, and then and only then will you then affix the batteries. Now I'm going to tell you how to affix these batteries in layman's term. You have the batteries right here. You see the part that is written plus and the part that is written minus. What you are going to do is this part written plus goes here, and the part written minus goes here. This spring here, the part written minus goes on the spring, and the part written plus with that little stub on it goes to this stub right here, up here too. So the spring is the bum bum, and the the top is the head. Let me just explain it that way. So you do that, affix the new batteries, then you put the cover back. Ensure you set it properly, because if you don't set it properly, it will not clip on well. Good. Do that. Put the screw back in and screw it closed. Now if there's power, you will see that the number of units you have just shows, and you have light in your house. If there is no unit anymore, you have to purchase and load the way you would normally load. So there you have it, guys. Just simple procedure. You just follow through exactly as explained, and voila, you have power in your house. You can do this whether there's electricity or no electricity. If there is electricity, when you do this, you'll see your remaining units show on the screen. If there is no electricity, you'll most likely see the ROFCON code. And please, if you try this and it doesn't work, it means that the problem with your prepaid meter keypad is not a weak battery problem. In that case, I would advise that you visit the closest office of your electricity distribution company for further assistance. I am based in Asaba. We're under the BDEC Benin Electricity Distribution Company. They have different one, IKDC, Keja Electricity Distribution Company. They have so many. So it depends on where you are based. You just go to the closest office, ask around, and then you have to go lay your complaint, and you have a technician assist you properly. Okay, so just easy breezy, and you don't have to waste a lot of money. I experienced this. I came online, I didn't really see a lot of videos on this matter. So on my previous channel, I did a lot of these videos. Those videos are a bit older now, and we're moving our life hack channel to this new channel. So I just thought to recreate some of those videos and then just have them here on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying tuned till the end, and until I come your way again, remain blessed. Bye guys.